Ready to turn casual browsers into paying customers for your Shopify store with the power of Facebook ads? First, head over to Facebook Ads Manager, the central hub for all your advertising endeavors. Now, for the magic defining your target audience, Facebook's detailed targeting lets you pinpoint potential customers based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Think about who's most likely to buy your product. Are they into hiking? Do they read specific magazines? Get granular. Next, let's craft compelling ads. Choose the right format: a single eye-catching image, a carousel showcasing multiple products, or an engaging video. Make sure your visuals are high quality and attention-grabbing. Your ad copy is crucial. Write clear, concise headlines that grab attention, highlight the benefits of your product, and include a strong call to action, like shop now or learn more. Don't be afraid to experiment. A/B testing allows you to test different versions of your ads, audiences, or placements to see what performs best. Small changes can make a big difference. Keep a close eye on your campaign performance. Track key metrics like reach, impressions, clicks, and most importantly, conversions. This data will tell you what's working and what needs tweaking. Test different placements to find where your target audience is most receptive. Try Facebook feed, Instagram feed, or the audience network. Remember, running successful Facebook ads for your Shopify store is an ongoing process of testing, analyzing, and optimizing. Keep learning, keep tweaking, and watch your sales soar.